Hello friends, welcome to Ekeeda. Title of the lecture is Surge Protection. So surge protection minimizes the risk of damage from lightning strikes, voltage and power surges, and transient voltage by blocking or redirecting unwanted surge current to earth. So how does this surge protection work? See, surge protection device prevent damage. Surge protection device prevents damage to electrical equipment from over voltage transient by blocking or redirecting surge current to the ground instead of passing through the equipment. Actually, surge protection is connected to a conductor. Surge protection is connected to a conductor on the line side of equipment, and the protection is also connected to ground. Protection is also connected to ground and functions by routing energy from an over voltage transient to ground. If one occurs while isolating the conductor from ground at normal operating voltages. Thank you.